In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up credit card account in QuickBooks. By the end, your credit card will be linked to QuickBooks Online, your transactions will flow in automatically, and you'll be ready to reconcile with confidence. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and opening the company you want to connect. This ensures the new connection lands in the right books. From the left menu, open Banking or Transactions, then Banking. In the upper right, choose Add Account. This is where you connect to your financial institution. Use the search bar to type the name of your credit card provider, then select the correct institution from the list. If you don't see your bank, don't worry. You can always import a CSV file of transactions manually later, but we'll continue with a direct connection here. Enter the same login credentials you use for online banking and complete any multi-factor authentication prompts your bank requires. QuickBooks uses secure banking connections to fetch your data, so this process is designed to protect your information while enabling the feed. After you're authenticated, QuickBooks displays the accounts available at that institution. Choose the credit card account or accounts you want to link and confirm the connection. Pick only the accounts you intend to track in this company to keep your books clean. Once connected, QuickBooks automatically pulls in recent transactions. Go to Banking, then the For Review tab. Work down the list, assigning the appropriate expense category for each charge. If you track by customer, project, or class, add those details as well. When a transaction matches something you've already recorded, like a payment entered from a receipt, use Match to prevent duplicates. Otherwise, choose Add to create the entry directly from the feed. With transactions categorized, it's time to reconcile. Open Accounting, select Reconcile, and choose the credit card account. Enter the ending balance and the statement ending date from your credit card statement. Then tick off transactions in QuickBooks until the difference shows 0. If it doesn't balance, look for missing payments, duplicate entries, or an incorrect statement date or amount. To save time going forward, you can set up rules, go to Banking, then Rules, and create a new rule that looks for consistent details, like a vendor name, and automatically assigns the right category and other fields. This keeps your coding consistent and speeds up monthly reviews. That's it. You've connected, categorized, reconciled, and streamlined your credit card workflow in QuickBooks.